We want to help you by selecting the best products.
November selection. Top 5.
Russell Hobbs RH34WC1 Freestanding Wine Cooler 34 Bottle Capacity Black. Its approximate price is £259.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 4.
Baridi 18 Bottle Wine Cooler Fridge Touchscreen LED Low Energy A Black. Its approximate price is £169. Would you like us to make a video of a product? Let us know with your comments and support for the channel. Top 3.
Subcold Super 85 LED Undercounter Fridge 85L Beer Wine and Drinks Fridge LED Light Plus Lock and Key. Low Energy A Plus Black 85L. Its approximate price is £249.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 2.
Cookology 30 cm Wine Cooler 20 Bottle Capacity Freestanding Undercounter Fridge Cabinet Black. Its approximate price is £259.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 1.
Cookology 15 cm Wine Cooler 7 Bottle Undercounter Freestanding Cabinet Fridge Black. Its approximate price is £199.
We hope we have helped you. If you would like us to update this or other reviews, let us know in the video comment.